Can you whistle? Bronchitis can also make you whistle, and not in a good way. That sound is actually caused by wheezing when the bronchial tube gets all tight and inflamed. Smoking, pollution, viruses. They are the usual suspects that mess with your lungs and start that wheezing. If you're whistling involuntarily for more than 3 weeks, don't ignore it. Leave phone calls behind and book your appointment online. Get access to your medical record too. Whistle on your own terms. Breathe easy with Cellmaflex. Better health, better health. Share this reel with family and friends.